welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you another haul. I am on a roll and I know you guys actually enjoyed the previous hauls so much. So I thought let me also show you everything that I got from Urbanic. I actually found this brand online. I found them on their Instagram page. I'm going to quickly pop on their page right here so you guys can have a look as well. So I thought they had like really cute outfits and really trendy ones. So I went ahead and got some for myself. Some of them are really casual, some a little bit more dressed up. I went ahead and tried like different types of outfits that they had. So without any further ado, let's jump into the haul. First up is this cute floral dress. I think this is my favorite piece. I wanted something casual, something I could wear at home, something very easy to slip into. So this is the first one that I got and I love it. It's so cute. It basically comes with shoulder straps, but what I did was I just made a knot right here and I'm wearing it like a off-shoulder dress. And I actually am very impressed with the material. It is super comfortable. I love how frilly it is. Look at that. I'm having way too much fun. This is the second outfit. Definitely a little too loud. Very Instagrammy. I thought it would look nice in pictures, especially the top. But I got the size small and it is really big for me. Like really big. So I have lost weight. I feel like I speak about it in every vlog, but I have lost weight, so I definitely need an extra small. The small is a little too big for me, but I really like this adjustable strap that they have going. This, I wish I had like something to make it stick, maybe like a fashion tape. If I don't get it in my size, I'll probably just use like fashion tape to kind of stick it in. But otherwise, what do you guys think? Do you like this? Okay, so you're not ready for this outfit. It is really nice and it fit me so well. This is in the size small as well. And it's like this very fancy dress. I really like it. It's got sequins. Let me try and show you the back. But yeah, this is what it looks like. What do you guys think about this one? I'm not sure where I'm going to wear this yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll have some event soon enough. I love this one. It's got balloon shoulders and a really pretty green color. It's got like designs here as well. I love this dress. So nice. Love the shoulders. It's very comfortable as well. I went for stuff that I usually don't get, and I love that I got this asymmetrical skirt because I usually don't get like ruffly things. I love like fitted skirts and stuff, but even if this is fitted on the top, so the ruffles make it look really nice. And I love that it's asymmetrical, so it kind of goes up like this. I really like the skirt. You guys know my love for black and white, so of course I had to get a black and white top. This is a polka dot top that I really liked. I loved that it has two different types of polka dot. Also comes with this ribbon that you can tie a knot with. Obviously it didn't do a good job right now, but it's so pretty. The skirt is not from Urbanic. I already had the skirt and I thought it would pair really well, and I love the oversized sleeves. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite top that I got from them. This is so comfy. And if you don't want the bow on the neck, you can put it inside and probably tuck it in or leave it out like this and even style it like this. I also got this t-shirt that's animal print. I think it is so sexy. I never was like a big fan of animal prints before, but somehow I really like this. I thought like it wasn't too much. It's got like a full sleeve and the fit is really nice as well, and it's like a plain shirt. The reason why I love shirts also is because you can style it in so many different ways. You can watch my reels on Instagram to see how I style this shirt this way. This is not a dress, it's actually a robe, but I could definitely wear it as a dress. It's so pretty, but it's actually a robe. So I've tied a nice little knot here, and it is such good quality. I loved the print. I can lounge in robes the entire day. I think they're so comfy. So I got 2 of them. Let me show you the other one. This set is what sweet dreams are made of. It's so comfy. Comes with a matching night dress and then an oversized robe. Obviously it comes with a belt like this, so you can tie it and cover yourself up. But this is so comfy, guys, and this is the last thing. Alright guys, so that was everything in the haul. Why am I tired from just changing clothes? It's exhausting, but this is so much fun. I'm wearing my favorite top back, and I love the pieces that I got. I'm so glad I went a little beyond my usual basic styling that I do. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I'm gonna try and find everything and link it down below for you guys, and also I'm gonna link their Instagram in case you want to go check it out. And as always, I hope you guys are enjoying September. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.